You are looking at a 55W UV lamp of our production, designed to replace the LightTech lamp in Bactericidal UV installations. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. All possible lamp marking options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics: the lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. Power is 55W, operating current is 0.425 A, your emission power is 20 W. Dimensions: lamp length 1148 mm, arc length 1061 mm, tube diameter 50 mm, base diameter 90 mm. The lamp life is 11,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all vacuum systems: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. All of our lamps have a special G-Life Power Plus compound applied to the inside surface, developed by UVL engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating into the quartz glass, prolonging the efficiency of the lamp life. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us by phone.